Candlestick charts are used by traders to determine possible price movements based on past patterns. Candlesticks are generated by up and down movements in price. While these movements can seem random, traders use them to forecast a price's short-term direction. The concept originated in the 1700s when a Japanese man named Hamamona Hisa discovered that while supply and demand determined the cost of rice, the markets were also influenced by emotion. Candlesticks show that emotions representing the size of price moves with different colors. A down candle is often shaded red, and up candles are often shaded green, although these colors can be altered in a trading platform. A daily candlestick is helpful because it shows 4 price points: the market open, the high, the low, and the closing price. The candlestick also has a wide part which is called the real body. The real body represents the price range between the open and close of that day's trading. When the real body is filled in, it means the close was lower than the open. If it is empty, that means the close was higher. There are many candlestick patterns. Bullish patterns indicate that the price is likely to rise, while bearish patterns indicate that the price could fall. Many algorithms are based on the same price information shown in candlestick charts. But no pattern works all the time, and candlesticks represent tendencies in price movement, not guarantees.